Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 0, C is 4 and D is 8. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the exponent and power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number three is you have to solve division and multiplication. You have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, we have to solve first the bracket, which is this one, 6 plus 8. So first of all, we will solve this part. Then we get the answer is 14 and multiply by 2 we will write as it is and divided by 7 multiply by 2 again we will write as it is, and here we have to give the reference 6 plus 8 equals to 14. Now move forward, step number 2 we have to solve bracket number 2 which is this one, 7 multiply by 2. So we will multiply this part 2 divided by, and 7 multiplied by 2 means 7 multiplied by 2 is equals to 14. So here we have the 7 multiplied by 2 equals to 14. Now move forward to step number 2. Step number 2 is we have to solve the order of operation, expression and exponent part. But in our expression, we do not have any part which has the power. So now we have to go division and multiplication. So what we have to do, we have to go left to right in this expression and find out division and multiplication. So now we have to go 14 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 28. So for this, we have 28 answer. And we will write like 28 divided by 14 as it is. And here we have to give the reference like 14 multiplied by 2 equals to 28. Now we have two terms like 28 divided by 4. So we will divide both of them and get the answer is 2. So the answer of the given expression is 2. If you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.